Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Simplified. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you a few phrases that are really helpful not only reading but also in writing exam. These are the phrases that are really useful in writing exam to get higher band score. And so that's why I choose the passage from reading 16 test 1 from GT book. So let's start the video without any delay. You will definitely learn new words and that are very commonly used but we always ignore. So please watch the full video to know exact meaning and synonyms, example sentences. It's really helpful to get higher band scores. So let's start the video and enhance your vocabulary skills. So here we have test 1. Passage name is good customer service in retail. Without customers, your retail business would not exist. It stands to reason therefore that how you treat your customer has a direct impact on your profit margins. So here we have word impact that we are gonna discuss. Some customers just want to browse. Want to browse means they just want to look out on the products. They don't want to exactly buy, or they just want to look out on new items or something like that. Then we use the word to browse, and not to be bothered by sales staff. Try to be sensitive to how much help a customer wants. Be proactive in offering help without being annoying. So here we have another phrase, be proactive. Suggest a product that naturally accompanies what the customer is considering, or point out products for which there are special offers, but don't pressure a customer into buying an item they don't want. Build up a comprehensive knowledge of all the products in your shop, including the pros and cons of the products that are alike but they have been produced under a range of brand names. So here we have comprehensive knowledge. Sorry. This is really good phrase. So we are gonna discuss this one with synonyms and example sentence. So here we have, if you have run out of a particular item, make sure you know when the next orders are coming in. Negativity can put customers off instantly. If a customer asks a question to which the answer is no, do not just leave it at that. Follow it with a positive. For example, we are expecting more of that product on Tuesday. So here we can also learn this thing that in speaking we do not have to answer in yes or no. We have to complete our answer, but it doesn't matter you are completing with a positive statement or negative. It depends on your answer, right? So but you have to complete your answer to get a higher band score in speaking as well. So next we have, meanwhile, if you see a product in the wrong place on a shelf, don't ignore it. Put it back where it belongs. This attention to presentation keeps the shop tidy, giving the right impression to your customer. Likewise, if you notice a fault with the product, remove it and replace it with another. So here we have likewise, that is a linking word. This is really good word. When necessary, be discreet. Here we are gonna discuss another word, be discreet. This is really good phrase for speaking, writing, reading. It will really help you. For example, if the customer's credit card is declined at the till, keep your voice down and inquire about an alternative payment method quietly so that the customer doesn't feel humiliated. If they experience uncomfortable emotions in your shop, it's unlikely that they will not come back. So here when we read whole sentence, we clearly can understand the meaning of discreet. Be discreet means be confidential. We do not have to expose their like, oh, your credit card is declined in a very loud voice. So it's already clearing the meaning by itself when we reading the whole sentence. Finally, good manners are probably the most important aspect of dealing with customers. Treat each person with respect at all times, even when you are faced with rudeness. Being discourteous yourself will only add more fuel to the fire. So here we have another good phrase that we are going to discuss. Build a reputation for polite, helpful staff, and you will find the customers are not only keep giving you their custom but also tell their friends about you. So this is our paragraph. Now let's discuss all these words with synonyms, example sentences. So first word we use that is impact, which is a you can use as noun and verb. That means impact refers to the strong effect or influence that something has on a situation, person, or environment. So basically, impact means when we have an effect on other situation, person, or an environment. Synonyms are influence, effect, consequence, outcome, repercussion, implication, and result. For example, the implementation of renewable energy source has had a significant impact on reducing carbon emission and combating climate change. Next word we have proactive, which is an adjective, describes someone who takes initiative and anticipates future problems, needs, or changes, acting in advance rather than just reacting to events as they happen. Synonyms are foresighted, preventive, forward-thinking, enterprising. For example, in the workplace, being proactive rather than reactive can help identify potential issues early and implement solutions before they become significant problems. Next, we have comprehensive knowledge, which is really good phrase for writing, which means having an extensive understanding of a particular subject or field. It involves being well informed or possessing detailed awareness of all aspects related to the topic. Synonyms are extensive knowledge, thorough understanding, in-depth knowledge, broad knowledge, full awareness. So in writing, we always use in-depth knowledge in few essays, right? So you can use comprehensive knowledge. This is really good phrase uh, to get higher band score. For example, to excel in any profession, having comprehensive knowledge of the relevant industry trends and practices is essential. Next we have be discreet. This is really a nice word. Means to be careful in one's speech or actions, especially to avoid causing offense, attracting attention, or revealing private information. So as we discussed in the sentence, it means that we have to be careful about any person's actions, or like it will not cause any offense to them. Okay, so be tactful, be cautious, be prudent, be subtle, be circumspect, be careful. So these are the synonyms. Example, when discussing confidential information in a professional setting, it is important to be discreet to maintain trust and confidentiality. Next word we have be discourteous, means displaying a lack of respect or politeness towards others. It involves behavior rudely or inconsiderately, often causing offense or discomfort. For example, um, let's discuss the synonyms. Being rude, being impolite, being disrespectful, being inconsiderate, being uncivil, being ill-mannered. So we can use this word instead of these or vice versa. So next word is polite. Basically these two words are we can say opposite to each other. So being discourteous matlab means that being rude, and being polite means being good in a good manner. We have to We can say that refers to showing good manners or respect towards others in behavior, speech, or attitude. It involves being courteous and considerate and tactful in interaction with people. So synonyms are courteous, respectful, considerate, well-mannered, civil, gracious. For example, it is important to be polite when interacting with people from different culture as it fosters positive communication and mutual respect. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and we are going to discuss another video with different kinds of words. So keep watching, keep supporting. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.